Hello everyone, you're welcome to solve this nice square root math problem, which is the square root of 12 divided by 9 plus square root of 108. So let's provide a solution from here. Now the first step is that we can express the square root of 12 as, now, square root of 12, which we can express as 4 multiplied by 3 divided by, we have 9 plus square root of 108, which we can express as the square root of 36 multiplied by 3. Now we have that the square root of 4 times 3 as well as square root of 36 times 3. This is in the form of square root of a times b, which we can express as square root of a multiplied by square root of b. Applying this property, then here we have square root of 4 multiplied by square root of 3 divided by 9 plus square root of 36 multiplied by square root of 3. The next step is that we have square root. Now, square root of 4, this is the same thing as 2, so we have 2 square root of 3 in the numerator divided by, here we have 9 plus, now square root of 36, this is the same thing as 6, then we have square root of 3, then plus 9. Now, the next step is we rationalize the denominator by introducing a conjugate. Let's introduce a conjugate here. And this is actually 6 square root of 3, subtract 9. We multiply this also in the numerator, which is we have 6 square root of 3 minus 9. Now, here we have square root. In the numerator, we have 2 square root of 3 multiplied by 6 square root of 3 minus 9, then divided by, now 6 square root of 3 plus 9, this is in the form of a plus b, and then we have 6 square root of 3 minus 9, this is in the form of a minus b, which we can express as a squared minus b squared. This is the difference of two perfect squares. So in this case, here we have 6 square root of 3 raised to the power of 2 minus 9 squared. So here we have square root of, now this is 2 square root of 3 times 6 square root of 3. This means that this is 6 times 2, which is 12. Square root of 3 times square root of 3. This is the same thing as times 3. Then minus, we have 2 square root of 3 times 9. This is 18 square root of 3. Then divided by, now 6 square root of 3 squared. This means that here we have 6 squared. We have 6 squared multiplied by square root of 3 to the power of 2. So this is multiplied by 3 minus 9 squared, which is 81. The next step is that we have the square root of, now 12 times 3 minus 18 square root of 3. We have that 3. Here we have that 3 is common here. We can factor out 3 into the parentheses. We have 12 minus, now here we can have 6 square root of 3. Because 6 square root of 3 times 3, this is the same thing as 18 square root of 3. Divided by, now 6 squared, this is the same thing as 36. Multiplied by 3, then minus 81. Now here we have the square root of, in the numerator we have 3, into the parentheses we have 12 minus 6 square root of 3 divided by, now in the denominator here we can factor 3 as well, so that we have here 36 minus 27, close the parentheses, then 3 and 3 here simplifies, so that now we have the square root of, this is 12 minus 6 square root of 3 divided by 36 minus 27, which is 9. So this means that we have the square root of, we can write this as 1 over 9 multiplied by 12 minus 6 square root of 3. Now we have that the square root of 1 over 9 times 12 minus 6 square root of 3. This is in the form of square root of a times b, which we can express as square root of a times square root of b. So that now here we have the square root of 1 over 9 times square root of 12 minus 6 square root of 3. So that now we can express square root of 1 over 9. This is the same thing as the square root of 1 over 3 to the power of 2 multiplied by square root of 12 minus 6 square root of 3. So that now we can simplify here so that we have 1 over 3 multiplied by, now square root of 12 minus 6 square root of 3, we can express 12 as 9 plus 3 minus 6. 6 is the same thing as 2 times 3 times square root of 3. Now we have here 1 over 3 times, now we have 9, we can express 9. This is the same thing as 3 to the power of 2, then plus, we can express 3. Remember, if you have the square root of a to the power of 2, this is the same thing as a. So we can express 3 as the square root of 3 to the power of 2, which is the same thing as 3. So we have the square root of 3 to the power of 2 minus 2 times 3 times square root of 3. And you find that 3 squared plus square root of 3 to the power of 2 minus 2 times 3 to square root of 3. This is in the form of a squared plus b squared minus 2ab, which we can express as a minus b to the power of 2. And therefore, here it means we have 1 over 3 multiplied by square root of, now this is the square root of 3 minus square root of 3 to the power of 2. And therefore, we can eliminate the square root sign here, so that now here we have 3 minus square root of 3 divided by 3. Now this implies we have 1 over 3 times 3 minus square root of 3. And this is the same thing as 1 over 3 times 3 subtract 1 over 3 times square root of 3. So 1 over 3 times 3, this simplifies, so we have 1 minus, now square root of 3 divided by 3. Now we have that the square root of 3, this is equal to 1.7321. So let's substitute this value, so that now here we have 1 minus 1.7321 divided by 3. And therefore, this is the same thing as 1 minus 1.7321 divided by 3. This is the same thing as 0.57737. So if you say 1 minus 0.57737, this is equal to 0.42263. And this is the solution to this square root math problem. So kindly follow the steps, like this video, and kindly subscribe. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye for now.